mano.
Beti anda di luoro che mtoka to kidhi chopo kata.
Bejamo vitu kantie kamoro kanya.
Leo ngani maber manyicho dake.
Aidha mtoka tuna chigra mtoka. No kidena.
So we divided among ourselves because the impact is bigger in Nyando than in Moroni. We let 4 excavators serve Nyando and 3 were given to us in Moroni. The long-term solution of this flooding is we are working on Korusoin Dam. It will enhance capacity, gravity, and it will control perennial flooding, and that is the only solution. All we are doing now are mitigating effects. We are trying to take some mitigatory steps.